Hi, this is Kevin from Alta, the ultimate lightweight travel trailer. We're going to do a really quick run through a floor plan focus of the 3150Kbh. So it is a big bunkhouse, 2 slides. It has a separate bedroom for the kids, but the K stands for king bed. So that's where we're going to start. Because it's a king bed, we had to configure the whole room around the bed. So we went with the French style doors. Not one of those flipping cabinets where you have no space to walk around. Then we have the couch that's directly across from the TV. There is a closet behind it. Here we have the kitchen, starting with the residential refrigerator, all of our storage space and utensils. Across from that is the dinette. We have extra storage underneath the benches, lots of big windows. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. So there's double entry from the outside and inside. You'll see the biggest shower we can get, oversized sinks, lots of space. And the BH part, the separate bunkhouse for the kids with the real wood door, you're going to get a flip down bunk, laminated, has a window behind it. The couch makes a bed. You have the bed over your outside camp kitchen, and then TV included in the cabinetry. So we just left the big bunk room. Now we're going outside through the bathroom, that double entry, and this is the grand finale. We have the tailgate center, the full camp kitchen. You have the infrared flameless grill, 40-inch TV included, ready for game day. You have USB ports, you have plug-ins everywhere, a big oversized fridge, you have a plumb sink. Again, that's the grand finale for the 3150Kbh from Alta. Big bunkhouse, perfect for your needs.